Hi, I'm Andy with Ninox Corporation. Let's continue our discussion of the real estate and property management modules in the Ninox ERP solution by Nioxis. In our previous class, we looked at how we could set up all of our properties, both residential and commercial, within our ERP system. In this class, let's take a look at how we can subdivide certain properties into individual units. I'm going to go ahead and click on the unit icon, and I have the option to add a new unit, or in this case, view the list of existing units. You can have as many individual units as you want within any single property. Units may be rentable or non-rentable spaces. You might set up parking or storage spaces as units and associate them with residential units within a multifamily setting. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Unit A in this 3-unit triplex apartment. We have the unit code, and we can define the unit category and classification according to an unlimited number of user-definable categories and classes. Every unit by default is available, but as we put in leases or contracts for sale, if it's a saleable unit like a condo, the status will automatically update. We can put a unit on hold because it's leased but not yet occupied, or we can put a unit on hold because it's in repair. Maybe someone just moved out and we're doing some maintenance work and we have the unit on hold until it's ready to be rented again. The current rent is what the current tenant is paying, and the default rent is what the next tenant or the next rent increase would amount to. For each individual type of property, we can set up an unlimited number of user-definable characteristics of that property. As this is a residential unit in a multifamily setting, we can see that it has a kitchen, a great room, an exterior balcony, an exterior entrance, and some other amenities including a washer-dryer hookup and a security system. All of these amenities are user-definable and can be tracked according to the different types of property. And here we see those property types at the property level. Getting back to our unit, we have the ability to track a floor plan along with an unlimited number of documents, current leases, historical leases, blueprints for capital improvements, whatever you need to store, whatever documents are relevant to this unit, you can store them in this unit's document management module. And then finally, we have an unlimited note area where you can define and describe the property for online presentation, for publication, or for any internal information, which might include a security code, a key code for maintenance entry. Whatever you need to know about a particular property, you can note here in the note field or here in the unlimited notebook that is associated with every property and every unit in the system. The same way we were able to look at a property and zoom in on the unit, we can also go directly to a unit and zoom back to the property. We can keep track of unit maintenance by clicking on the maintenance icon to automatically create a work order or a service ticket for each unit. If that unit is occupied, we can track service calls and work orders according to not only the unit, but the tenant also. And speaking of tenants, we can track all leases, all current and past and even future tenants here using this icon. If there is a contract for sale or a deed or a lease associated with a particular unit, we can automatically track that here by creating a lease, creating a sale contract or deed, or viewing the existing contract or the current contract for this tenant in this unit. When a unit is occupied, the name of the tenant will automatically show up here, and their current rent will automatically show up in this field according to their lease contract. In our next class, we're going to look at how we track all of the individual and corporate tenants that occupy all of the real estate and units in our portfolio. I'll see you there.